to disable recent files in File Explorer on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to stop your recently opened files from showing up on the homepage. First, open File Explorer on your computer. After that, click on the three dots at the top of the window. From there, select Options from the drop-down menu. At this point, in the window that opens, find the checkbox labeled Show Recently Used Files in Quick Access. In the next step, uncheck that box. Following this, click Apply, then OK to save the change. Once done, close and reopen File Explorer to confirm recent files no longer appear on the homepage. Keep in mind, this only hides them from Quick Access. It doesn't delete the actual files or clear your activity history. Finally, if you also want to clear your existing history, go back to the three dots menu, select Options, and click Clear under Clear File Explorer History. And that's it. If this guide helped you disable recent files in File Explorer, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.